I'm gonna get straight to the point in this video. How to use ChatGPT to learn anything, literally anything at superhuman speeds. There is a 4-step simple mechanism that you can apply and combine it with ChatGPT in order to learn anything, whether it might be a skill that you always wanted to learn. It might be something academic, like you're preparing for an exam and you want to learn a particular concept. You can use this 4-step mechanism. So here's how I'm going to demonstrate this 4-step mechanism. I have a test in object-oriented programming in C++, and I've not studied anything. So I'm going to use this opportunity to use the power of ChatGPT to learn OOPS from scratch. And I'm going to tell you guys how I use the 4-step mechanism to do it quickly. So first we need to get a streamlined set of topics for us to concentrate on. So I like to use the Pareto principle, where in a particular topic, 20% of the knowledge will help you deal with 80% of the problems related to that topic. That is the Pareto principle. So let me use this and tell you guys how I get a streamlined set of topics. So I go to ChatGPT and say, can you help me learn object-oriented programming in C++ using the Pareto principle, where learning 20% of the topics will help me solve 80% of the real-world problems. So let me press enter. Look at it. It came up with everything that I have to learn. So, classes and objects, encapsulation, inheritance, pointers and dynamic memory allocation, exemption handling. These are all stuff that is actually in my syllabus for the exam. It's amazing. It's amazing. Now let's use the second step in the mechanism in order to set up a study plan for ourselves with ChatGPT. So I'm just going to type in, can you set up a detailed study plan for me, listing the hours I have to spend studying a particular topic, what topic I should learn, when should I practice, etc., which will help me learn all these topics within 15 days. Do you guys see this? Look, it literally has topic, study, practice. For example, let's take a look at day 4. The topic is polymorphism. It tells me to study polymorphism for 3 hours and practice 1 hour. And it doesn't just tell that. It also tells me what to practice. It tells me to implement function overloading and overriding. And in day 9, it talks about a project. It tells you to start working on a project, incorporating the concepts that you learned from day 1 to day 7. But you know what's even crazier? I'll ask ChatGPT, can you tell me what project I should work on that will help me incorporate all the skills learned from day 1 to 7? Boom! It tells me a project that I can do, library management system. Like, imagine you're a beginner who doesn't know even 1% of object-oriented programming, and you have ChatGPT telling you all this. Now you have way more of a concrete idea on where to start and what to start doing. And now I'm gonna get even crazier. Let's apply the third step of the mechanism, and that is getting resources. So here's the command. Can you provide me the best YouTube videos and resources for me to learn all the topics mentioned from day 1 to day 7? Does this need more explanation? Do I need to explain something here? Works like magic. But again, I would like to make one thing clear, and that is these links might not work. So you have to manually go ahead and search up a video. So you have to go and search that up on the YouTube search bar, and you'll get the video. And in case you don't get the video, or you don't like the video, or the video is too old, you can just search up the topic which ChatGPT wants you to learn at that particular day, and you'll get a lot of recent good videos explaining the topics. And now finally, when I talk about the 4th step, which is, crossing those small learning hurdles that you might have in your learning journey. Let's say you're learning object-oriented programming according to the plan that ChatGPT provided you, and at a particular topic called operator overloading, you get stuck. You're not able to understand even the basic gist of what operator overloading is, and you're not able to get anything, and you want help. Well, how do you cross this learning hurdle? Well, you use a prompt like this to do it. So, can you explain to me operator overloading in C++ like you are explaining it to a 5-year-old? Boom. You guys can read through that and see if you can understand operator overloading, at least the basic gist of operator overloading. Sky's the limit. It's all about how you interact with the AI. But is ChatGPT always gonna be 100% correct with all the information that it outputs? Well, no. ChatGPT in its core is artificial intelligence, and artificial intelligence is a developing technology. And New information is being added every day. New innovations are being made every day. And so AI can make mistakes. But is that an excuse for us to just treat ChatGPT and artificial intelligence as just a random technology that is just trending right now and just leave it alone and just enjoy it right now? Well, no, because AI has come so far in the past 2 years. 2 years ago, AI wasn't this much of a prevalent discussion, bro. But right now, AI is everywhere. What if AI grows to a point in the next 2 to 3 years where it can literally make a video, auto-generate a video to explain whatever concept you ask it to explain? What if that happens? Well, at that point, there won't be any requirement for a teacher. You can learn anything. And again, like I said, it is going to come down to what you do with the information. That is the key. How you leverage all the technology like AI or whatever comes in the future in order to apply your humanness, human creativity, in order to come up with products that help humanity move forward and secure the future for ourselves.